Panels broke while screwing the screw in. Don't mix up the screw A and screw B. A is for shorter, 17 pieces for plank fixation. Letter B is for taller and 7 pieces for metal frame connections. Two panels do not align correctly. Don't totally tighten the screws until both panels keep aligned. How can I install the CPU stand without screw holes on the board? Screws C are self-tapping screws. Do not screw holes on board. 4 tiny holes on CPU stand. Boards just for screw positioning. 90 degrees L-shaped design offers more space and more storage solutions to organize your stuff. Trendy round corner design. It's safer and offers you a lot of space saving. M-style buckle design easily installs. Adjustable leg pads balance the desk on the carpeter uneven floor. Humanized footrest stands. Free removable CPU stand. There's 2 sizes and 2 colors.